It didn't. This is off the rest of the remotes. I don't know why it was.
Source. Radar. Vector. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include...
Why hasn't this gone off?
Vernal, Cottle Hill, Cohutta, Wood Station, Indian Springs,
Let's talk about this.
Grayville, Beaumont.
It hasn't even gone off.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Speak to us, your report at Atlanta.
Yeah.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station XK48, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from Signal Mountain, with content originating from your National Weather Service office in Morristown, Tennessee. Synopsis. After this evening, showers and thunderstorms exit the area. The overnight hours will be muggy, with lows mainly in the 70s. Sunday will be hot and humid across the southern Appalachian region, with another round of showers and thunderstorms. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of southwest North Carolina, East Tennessee, and southwest Virginia. For this afternoon and tonight, showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening may be strong. Damaging winds and hail will remain threats with any storms that develop. Key indices in the southern plateau, Central Valley, and Southern Valley could exceed 100 this afternoon. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Showers and storms are expected in late Sunday. Some storms could become strong today with damaging winds.